Odoba kun Hakumam enu Piasinyina Bidiu adansia
Papa bebre ever paint TV edwumadie we de ye frɛ no maware eye me maware no waware emu komo na ya yedi wa ha real couples real marriages enne no ye di ebusia special one bi na ebro ma many papa o ma ba program yi so da eye orura ni orura yire Sule o ma ba hada ye di o maware mu komo da enne no ye toa o mo love story no so na ne abeka ho ne se omo ember 5 na o ma wo mo no obi a ye musician tebusia no omo ye a band mu a kire se omo ni obo twini wo ho ni obo guitar wo ho ni obo keyboard wo ho enne ye de omo nyina aba ha no mu a ye toa o mo love story no so ye toa ebusia no story so enti ye de omo enwum toa ni omo bibia abeka program no ho ye kwakwaje nkrato aba ye ba ubehu the family band of Orura ni Orura yiri Sule ye basisi a sama akwa babiom nyame enhira opa ma ware dwumadie na wo hwe aha aye paint TV midin ede Gina enne Orura ni Orura yiri Sule a omo aba dwumadie so da na enne no ye hwe ebusia ni nyina kire se omo nyina omo kabo mu a omo ye band omo ti band mu musical band a instrument a wo wiase nyina omo bobi ye pese ye kɔ na ye kɔhwɛ saa band no omo performance ye ba beto aso Orura ni Orura yiri Sule obusia
Boy, na
some me catch it a band moi ora ni ora Sule. Yeah, bra Derrick and then who come for patience Sule. Yami shamu papa. Ewa makwaba. Mo ba dwumedie so da. 2 years ago ni echire. Okay. Mu fi ha mu ko fie no. Mu be kan. Mu be di mu aware mu nkomo. E de ne e koso wom e be share amanfo nkran. Mu am ko fie asem be nesiri. Papa, mami, okay, sister, patient, better. Mukofi assemblies after the program of how what happened?
Oh, baby soon could be a simo, but yet now say, hey, yeah,
okay.
Yet now at least near Becca, yeno, ye bobo who kakra, a share baby a sin towa. He bet me, I am with you, my bema, our reno, a coso, pepe, fashion, median yam.
Okay. Inti mobile who be di more and more common. Moamu who say a near maybe a here pager. Yes, a some more adjusting you maybe. A dear no after my warrior you may dear come my boy. Muhun says a say, we are who be. We say adagia ye benyama ye ho. Sometimes ye jumano sena ye jumane eye no ye nyamre bebre ma ye ho enti ebi a kwesi ada ye fi asori ba na ye nya time ehwe ana ye ka ebusia ne ho asem enti ye hu se wo se ye nyamre ye pemre na ye family meeting na ye tena se ne ye hwe se ne ye be ya ye betutu nyame yie e wo ebusia ne mu. Okay. Oh, yeah, bra, Derrick. We are lecturer. This is an Osika, I didn't cry. And also, yeah, medical lab scientist. We are more the same hospital.
But
I'm more Colibu and Pa Bisa, we are more Colibu. Now, still, went to me, Dajin, Mufi Hafeno, Adajeno, Muye, Hundian. What did you do? More justice saying, I feel more ye. Said by Munya Dajama, who said you're okay. Brother, I Dajam, I'm so who now be creating no matter what so far.
Well, Niamia is I cut off some of my other involvement outside the official line of duty.
Okay.
I had some other part-time Amiye or Krobno, I had to cut some of them down so that I can have more time for the family.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. I just said you made him boss or boy pa.
Yeah.
Okay, it's apart from my daja who say someone just munya dajima mo didn't be muna dumedi ne chi no. A bit calm my worry no.
Okay, me personally no after that program no I realized as I say I should more or less like get more involved in the personal things of my wife.
Okay.
Like during the program, she said most often we the men are always carried away by our own personal things. Okay. And after that statement, I realized that I also needed to even at times not say showing full concern, but at least let her know that you are concerned about her, about her issues and all that. Okay. Because I realized these are the petty things that Niaman Kitinu Nema Awarenu so.
Who's that?
I most of often Mem Felice it is not necessary. Now so yeah, my who say it is necessary now. Who stress or don't deal with that aspect no so I boa ma Awarenu so.
So wait me about program is so no it me a cancel sa na chese ade na hu hia no.
Yeah.
Tu kofi na akoye hu bi. Say no the all can one kasa how do you see it? I feel or you more involved. Neni edi one kasa we chi chen kanen.
Sisaya bim.
Sisaya bim. Sisaya net to sing.
Oh. At least tete no nanka o mbisa wo ye bibi kra bibi abi am promotion na bibi amako fili for mako akọ mbisa hwe but say no at least say promotion bibi obisa say akosi sen ukoye den ye kan ye nti those personal nyam nkitenkete no at least attention no aba
ye de nyame ase ma o redwumadie na chese abo papa from the eyama enkofo omo hwe no say mo ankasa so omo ba so no ebo am pa nti attention aba say why more interested one man when edi na chichen kane bibi o hobi mu a mo de beka ho
basically I think that is
o Sule me who say wo mai obia ebo musical instrument say akwala ketu o wo mu a wedi 1 year ni ekire no say jamo no kra wa hyase na ade a wo share da plan say da chi wo ware a ubemma obusia ayesa
mpacho esa
ade na ma wo yesa unya sa atin desire say obey visa.
Okay, me so na me want Lagos no. Na me born musical instrument no. Na me master out share me guitar but no. Most of all on Demi call programs na. I saw one rich man me ma 7 na no omumbo musical instrument. Ma omuwo monotunyum.
Wow.
Yeah, and he had the instrument at home and I had that desire. I said, Dachi me so me nyina say me so me be here be me. So I had that in mind several years before me worry.
Okay.
So yeah worry and me boy ma ba chia say ebe mu no. Then I started training omu kakra. So me share here with my first child, you know, on the keyboard.
Okay.
And Yankopon drew me Bema and I share no bass guitar. No?
Okay.
Yeah. The third one also near obo cowbell or obo lead guitar so.
Wow.
Yes. Then the fourth one no
drama
no, yes.
Wow.
After bassist no so no I started with the drums into no obo bass guitar and drums as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Inti chesa wa na wo kire omo ni nyina. Na o yire wa kire ni bibi.
baby
Unu wan sheda. Tu de ne nnum to.
Me tunyo
Okay. Inti wa na wo kire omo nyina maako sa. Wo fo mo nko ba bi nkotua se ye nkire omo.
No.
Wow. We then na wonya adaji mom sa. Is it easy?
It's not easy. Bibi I say, conscious effort, say because I had that desire and I made a conscious effort. Say, me invested that time into the children. I mean, I play all the musical instruments into. So I see them as a reflection of whatever is in me.
Wow. Of course. Inti, I can imagine na masori anapa mo morning devotion.
Yes, that's what we do at home. We
Wow.
have all the instruments at home. So
Ooh,
yeah.
that would be sweet. Inti mo morning devotion na. Obi abo bibi. How nice is that?
Yeah.
Auntie Patient,
yes
how nice is that at home?
Yeah.
Wow. Inti, apart from morning devotions, then time na mo share ebo.
Times church programs and so I'm inviting Koran like Children's Day. So I'm inviting for programs. I'm raising now my combo. So at times I'm call my grandma or now say there are programs they take the instruments along and I'm going perform. So any avenue, just Christian avenue, I bet my showcase on my talent. I encourage them. And based on that, they have the desire say, more.
Wow. Inti upon eduma. Ubebe fie nwumre. Omo so be ko school omo pon. Mame time a ultimate created this idea.
Okay. Most of Tuesdays and Thursdays me kokrom me normal days activities me Buffy, I don't go anywhere else. Then I devote that time for them. Then aside that, Saturdays and Sundays, and you may know, I devote it for the family to train them on the musical instruments.
Wow. Anticipation.
yeah
Now, sa adie ya ura eye. Say ne faso eboa ebusuan.
Eboa omo ewo nyame fie because every time no sena omo boy instrument no ye kwa so say they have a role to play omo wo bibi omo beye na nkwala nso ye feature omo say na eye omo de nti ye mo omo ye se na ebe ya omo ni be ka nyame fie
na mwankasa mo busuan no mwankasa mo fie ho edien na edeka ebusuan ho
togetherness. Okay, like some sort of bond between us and the kids.
Wow.
Wow. And even notice one person is moody or another the mood change affect because yes I don't know
so back when India
it affect yes because whatever we're doing it's something like a collective anointing into Obako in India the spirit doesn't flow so always we make sure we are in a good relationship with each other then any general account everything goes
anointing na cowboy
yes
na yekese ye kwakwa ji kratoba ye ba ye baba betie nkwala no so no mo so abekire ebusia omo womi omo papa wabo omo sua sa nyema we nyina no omo so omo adwene a omo wo omo busia no ye ba sisia.
Hi, my name is Joseph Bodankwa.
Sule eni nebusia omu nyina kan bom musical band omu bonyum ena nyame adom enne eni omu edi nkomo yi na ye be ko break na nkomo bi a ye di na kire se de omu nyina enwom no eka omu bom nti no de bia esese obia ewo ba bia nini age anya sa dimedie no ntimi koso Sule.
Yeah.
See, now we can be church and we. What's the said? You know, more instruments in the boom. Nice, as some you know, a combo mountain.
Yeah.
As a set time, be our the same level.
It's not an easy job.
Okay.
Yeah. Because especially in Mofrano, they say, "I'm dear grow with them." Na obakwa ko kanini na na. And maybe that time you are close to performing or doing any praises or something like that. Meaning he's not in the mood. Until you must do everything on earth to ensure, say, you bring him back. Say, I crow you as a crow.
Wow.
Because that time, no, he's holding every one of us at once.
Wow.
Yes. So it's no joke at all. So, and also, no, because of that, as I say, every time, no, mifa nyamiasem about Boniface, don't retaliate. So nyankopon show was so umami ni upapa po ni around that. Nyankopon the show or record it. Because of that, you know, just trying to create that Christ consciousness in them all the time, so that at times when they remember those words, they say ninya yenu bonina says so ye bibiana or the acheno na we get rolling.
Wow. Wonderful. This is Obiko school na bibi na enkoya ibofu obi aye na de e ha no obi fie na ni mood enya esa so kwan bia so
yeah obi say the NSC was school oh, na me too America, and I'm a friend we all didn't in call and all crossing me, and I me tall from me ball from. Oh, nah. Don't worry, na my catch don't worry. Or Chinameka con who teacher catch me say sa akwa we or how. Na ni trima any the
no free.
Yes. Yeah.
Say the bear ba ku ye no better.
Exactly.
That's interesting. Every say jama. And I think say you nyina in your various families whether you're born together or not. E ade ba ku ehun hia pa. Say ade ehun ye hu boni e be cheye. Welcome. More introduce mo. Okay. Tell us your name and what you do, what you play.
I'm Faith Makafu Sule, and I play the keyboard.
Wow, we saw you. Beautiful. You're good. Yes. Okay.
My name is Vechas Delali Sule, and I play the cowbell and the guitar.
You play the cowbell and the guitar. Wonderful. Hey, Mr. Drama. Mr. Drama, please tell us your name, okay?
My name is Sule, and I play the drum.
You play the drum, wonderful. And you play it so well.
My name is Herbert, and I play the bass guitar.
Wow, Herbert, you play the bass guitar. You think your family is a happy one? Yes.
Yes, please.
You have a happy family?
Yes.
Okay. What makes you think that your family is a happy family?
The way we rehearse and the way he teaches us about God and the way he wants us to live a holy life so that when it's judgment day we go to heaven.
Wow. Okay. So apart from the music that you do together, what about your family makes your family a happy family? Herbert has an answer. He's already lifting up his hands. Yes.
Sometimes when we are sad, and then they ask us why are we sad, and then when we tell them the question and they answer, they supply answers for us.
Wow. Your parents supply you with the answers to your questions. They don't say keep quiet. Yeah. Wow. So that makes your family a happy one. What makes your family a happy family? Yes. What do you like most about your family? Yes. Let's just, I'm listening. Selom. Please, tell me, Selom. What do you like most about your family?
I like because my family are good.
Your family is good. What are the good things about your family that you like? No, she wants to say it. Okay.
The teachers have to respect and obey.
Okay. Wow. They teach you how to respect and obey. Okay. Do you think that your daddy loves your mommy?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
How do you know? How do you know? Herbert, do you know? Okay, give me an answer. How do you know?
Because we don't see them fighting or insulting each other.
Oh my God. Because you don't see them fighting and insulting each other. Wow. Faith, how do you know your daddy loves your mommy?
When my mom is in need, he provides her. When he's also in need, he also provides her.
Yeah.
That shows that the love they have for each other.
Oh, awesome. That shows they have love for each other.
Yes.
Let me ask you again. Do you think that this love between them is important?
Yes.
Why?
Because without this love, it would be like they hate each other, so we'll not be able to come together and be happy to play the music together. Because when they are together, they give us the confidence of playing it, and not that like we are disappointed or we are not able to do it.
me busa omo nsɛm no a omo nim asɛm a me busa omo na nkwala no ankasa danse a omo di efa omo papa ne omo maame ho no de pa nkwala nkitinkiti Faith 12 years, Herbert 10 years, Salom 6 years, Virtuous 8 years. And so almost some omo can say omo nim say omo papa any omo maame edudo omo ho efiri say omo hu so omo kuntokwa ye omo hu say omo papa hia bibi a omo maame eboa no omo maame so hia bibi a omo papa eboa no omo hu say ebusua no enije awom. Does it make you happy?
Yes.
Knowing that your father and your mother love each other?
Yes, please.
Wow. Minim say me bisa o ma some men o mo beka ni mara trese de ye yakobe nyina no say nkwale o mo ehwe o mo hwe da chi e busa o ma some men o mo beka. Do you know the word divorce? Have you heard it before? Okay, Herbert has an answer. Herbert,
Divorce means when parents have broken up and no more want to see each other again.
Oh, when parents are broken up and they don't want to see each other again, that's divorce. Okay. Do you think that it is possible that your mommy and your daddy would one day get a divorce, that they will separate and don't want to see each other again? No. What makes you so sure?
Because sometimes.
Yes. Virtuous wants to say something. Virtuous. Yes. What makes you so sure that mommy and daddy will never get a divorce?
Because they have never done some before.
Okay, because they've never done some before. Faith, what do you want to say?
I don't think they will do that because they are like two ropes tied together that they can never get torn. So I will never think that they will never be divorced.
Wow! Asemla kola ni ka enoti. Osi onji ndi sane papa. Ene no maami beja aware da fi say omo te say ahoma mienu a ya chichire abom. Hey, 12 years. Who taught you that? Hey, they're like two ropes tied together. They would never get a divorce. Wow. Tell me, what are some of the things you see them do in the house that makes you so sure that this marriage, this love will last forever? Makes you say that they are like two ropes tied together. What do you see them do?
When they are cooking for us.
They cook together?
Yes.
Hey. So daddy knows how to cook?
Yes, please.
Wow. Ooh. I see. What is his favorite dish? It's the best dish that he can prepare.
He likes to prepare beans.
Gary and beans.
Yes.
And cocoa.
Yes.
I see. Okay, so what else when they are cooking for you? What else do you see mommy and daddy do in the house that makes you sure that they will never get a divorce?
When they are going to work, daddy makes sure that mommy doesn't spend all her money picking taxi to her workplace, but ensures that even if it will take some money out of his salary, he makes sure he comes to pick mom from home to work.
Wow. Virtuous, you want to say something? He makes sure that he's always picking mommy from the office. Bringing.
Yes.
Okay. Well, somebody, you want to say something? Herbert. Virtuous. Okay. What do you think will happen? How would you feel? What will happen if one day you wake up and daddy says he's divorcing mommy?
I'll make sure they come back.
Share. What would you do? How would you do that?
Try and solve the problem.
Really? You try and solve the problem.
Yes.
Salon, what would you do? You seem to understand what divorce is. Tell me.
I'll try and be loyal.
You try and be loyal. But if whatever you do, they still want to divorce, what will happen to you? How would you feel?
I'll feel unhappy.
Virtuous wants to say something. Okay. Yes, Virtuous. Then Salom.
I'll feel sad.
You feel sad. Salom, how about you?
Me, I'll be angry.
You'll be angry. I know. You'll be angry. Wow. So, what do you want them to do so that they never get a divorce and they are always keeping the family happy? What are the things you want to see them do?
They'll stay together.
And how are you going to do that, young man? How are you going to do that?
I'll push them together.
You push them together.
And they'll stay in the house.
They will stay in the house. You make sure that you push them together so that they'll stay in the house. Faith, what would you like to see them do so that this family stays this happy all the time? What are some of the things you think that they should do?
They've done everything. There's nothing that they have to do again.
Wow. They've done everything that needs to be done.
Yes,
there is
please.
nothing again.
Yes.
Herbert, do you agree with her? You agree with her? Yes. Okay. So now, tell them something, mommy and daddy. Tell them something that is on your heart that you've always wanted to tell them. I'm giving you that opportunity. Something in your heart that you've always wanted to tell mommy and daddy for making the family this happy, staying together, not getting a divorce, not fighting, not insulting each other. What do you have to say to them?
I only say they should please keep up the good work and continue to love us.
Wow. They should keep up the good work and continue to love you.
Yes.
And love each other, right?
Yes. Please.
Yes, Virtuous. What do you want to say to mommy and daddy? I think they've done very well, right? Yes, tell them something.
They should love each other and keep telling us to respect and love each other.
Wow, awesome. Herbert, wonderful.
I'm thanking them for keeping us safe, providing for us and all the shelter and clothes.
Wow, wonderful. Selo, you have to say something. Yes.
I'll tell them, I'll take them that they have washed our clothes and they have sent us to church and they have taught us how to be kind. And
Wow.
kind and
Wonderful.
I'll thank them for them keeping us safe from the time we were born till now.
You thank them for keeping you safe. Everything for everything. Yedi omo ebechere sa na eyadesua. Owura ni owura yiri Sule ebusua ni. Adanse a omoma edi fa omo hu. Bibusa say edi embiom na wo bepese wo papa no maame omo be ye na ebusua atena se da. O se de esese omo ye nyina. Omo ye dada. Akwala we di 12 years. O se ni ehia se omo ye nyina omo ye dada. Bibusa omo se na wo papa no maame omo gya aware a asem na besi sen na wo behu no ba ko se mi bubefu ba ko se mi wure be ho ba ko se me ka o ma bom by force kire se ye fa sa ebusuan so e hye wo nkran se nyame e hwe ye de nanso ye man so e hwe ye ne o mo na te de ye ko a ye ba ye nyina o mo nitia kotie enwum biom from Sule ebusuan e ba sisia. Yesama wakwa bio. Nyame adom. Oh, share my warrior jumedi ewo paint TV ha me din di Georgina. Ora ni ora yeri Sule a warrior ebusia e fedodo. Said ye hu no no. Enkwala na nkase di adanse ese. Omo papa ni omo ma no. Omo do omo ho. Na ne ehia so omo ye na ebusia no etsna seda wani je mu nyina. Omo ye. Mr. Mrs. Sule. Your children. Mumma no ewo enidaso enkranhye pa wo mumu pa enti asundie kese pa ma mo nkwala ne se munya ya ware da omubo ana se
I also believe that.
Anti-fashion. Umane se munya ya ware da no kre
till death do us part.
Till death. Nothing. Cry. Absolutely nothing. Yes, so
yeah, me can't share me colleague back who say me yiri amanya no say Nyankopon ma opportunity biom say obema bia and some making another choice of marriage ebe me wife na mesa fan biom. So far I always thank God for having given her to me. She is a blessing total. Aside my salvation, I think my wife is the best gift I've ever had.
Wow. Then a more with me do you want to say the day they say?
I say, Bema be or worry penna ni asking in me upside down. But honestly speaking, I've seen the gradual progress in my life, starting from an X-ray technician, going to do my BSc, my MSc, my doctorate. Oh, mami with me. Support now, they are born me as a man. And yes, I don't know if I could have reached this height I have reached today. It takes a woman of great virtue, to have climbed up the ladder up to this very point. Okay. So I always say it's me personally. Say Nyankopon ma opportunity biom say still make another choice of woman. She'll still be my number one choice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Diene na oyema etimi esamo apobeye sa support ya wo kan e dey na oye na yensu yonkoye bi
yeah. For instance, me masters and doctorate degrees are medical school no. I mean, though Yaketuano is not big, okay, there are certain at times me go to school fees na say the whole money in the family goes. She covers me up with even nobody knowing. She's supporting me. Unlike maybe other women would have blown it out. That my husband is financially down. I'm taking charge financially. It takes a woman of great virtue to do that. And at times I sit down, now me analyze here, I realize we enshira. Because not all women in our modern day, I mean, in our computerized age, say, obey yes, those kind of things, nama nikuno. Honestly speaking. So I really appreciate her for all that kind of support, or the buami. Yeah. Aside that, so let me say, yeah, warrior ni maid that. We've never had a maid.
With five
children.
Kids,
we've never had a maid. We do everything together.
Okay.
They say, my friend, no more school say, I bathed, with the exception of the oldest, me and me jewelry the rest.
Oh.
I clothe them, I feed them, and while doing that, she's preparing their lunch. Me man, no more in this school with Anita. She cooks from the house every day for the student to take to school. Every blessed day. They don't eat food from the school. Yeah. Just to save me money.
Yeah.
After instead of say better milk one thing and weigh one thing, she can decide to say yanko agubloshi, yanko okanshi, yanko to we go together, we buy the things and bring it at a cheaper rate. I mean,
wow.
Yeah. Yes.
Anticipation.
Yeah.
Hey, what dance here in the dead son?
So to me, she's a real blessing to me.
Anticipation. Oh, my 5. Who for made that?
Maybe.
How do you do that?
It's like me planning because I'm a working mother too.
Yeah.
I have to go to work. And even with this,
you quit Juma time.
me quit Juma around 8:30.
Okay, about 8:30.
Yeah.
And so we do a Juma man. I think I will free.
Me do Juma 8:30.
Okay, 2:50 then time.
Around 8:15.
And then Juma.
If say
yeah,
just yeah.
Okay, good. Until ufi efie after 8. Now we do a Juma open then time.
They pon by 3 o'clock.
By 3 o'clock. Oh, okay. And so abuapa. Okay, until train kwan a ofa so a 5 nkwala 5 mfa made that.
Usually I get up early in the morning.
Around what time?
By 2:30 a.m. I'm up.
Wow.
Now
2:30 what sorry?
yes.
I didn't.
Say nkwala ne dɔɔso nti ɛwɔ sɛ nneɛma no meyɛ ne nkakra ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo ntadeɛ misi aduane meyɛ aduane ɛma wɔn ne ɔmo bɛkɔ school ɔmo ba so a ewia ne ɔmo bɛdi so I have to get up early me sorry in time than normal nti because ɔmo kɔ school in time by 5 a.m. no ɔmo efifie
Okay.
nti at least sɛ me sure ɔmo no ɔmo kɔ a then from 5 to about 7 or 7:30 na can me share efie ejuma na maye
Ah, won san koda.
debi me debi
Incident time na oda.
usually ni omo fi school ba na me hwe no mo yom homework ni ade nyina by 9:30 10 na mada
2:09. Now was sorry 2. Hey. Okay, we are there. Enti na utimi ye yes anema wo nyina na che se wo sorry tempa.
mpacho
Na eno no usua wa he wo maame na kire wa na wo worry ye na wo start say oh yes sir. Was that part of your life before you got married?
no, I think the wisdom is from God.
Okay.
Because as challenges ne ba me say ne ho akwankyere nti organize because with these kids ne crowd with the 4 kids I had to do masters going for lectures ne project work ne ade no it wasn't easy but one has to balance share time I convenient
Emu nyina no start the masters account.
I am masters year 20
last year.
Udi ko school aye masters. Wo ko adwuma. Wo san sorry. Nti na den time na wo disua de.
That is a grace.
Esi na wo ko we dia dance e kire say.
That is a grace.
I mean wo dwene ho a wo kwan a wo fa so a wo ye sa enyama no. Eye message ama entity enso beka ho. Training a wonya wo fie beka ho.
Well kakra
beka ho. Entity e be na wonya wo fie afo say aboa wo ma wetimi ebo obra kama sa.
Meka say me ankasa no naturally I'm very strict.
Okay.
So me person me bibia me planning go according to way. Me pe
nyama ye
basa nti bibia me ye no me hwe say we me ye this time me nya problem. Me ye we this time me nya problems. Nti me planning bit by be send e be ya problem bi amma.
Wow. Sule. You have a beautiful marriage. Mawari ne fe. Ebusiano so fe.
Thank you.
Nyami ehra mo pa. Ya sha say no mudi nkomo about 2 years ago. Even more than 2 years ago. And na nyami adom. Ya toa mo story so. Na nyami hra mo. Nyami hra mo pa. Ede pa. Eye kama pa. Ebusiano so a nyame adom mo raising nso nkwala no kire se mo kire omo nyame asem etete omo se de be ya omo be meti obi se kind obi se respect obi mo devotional life with this musical gift any kwan a mo fa so kire nkwala no all these things nyame hira mo pa nansa na ye be ko no mo so de owura ni owura ire se de owura Sule yi ne ire aye no obekira no odo ama wiase nyina ehu se odo ne yire pa antipatience so owura Sule you romantic pa ho very how na ya na me she said you waka very one can say I think it's very owura Sule one day we wiase nyina ehu se wunni mo do kire me hwe papa de ba amanfo nti menko Antipatient professor of God bless you. So far Canada. So far Canada. Come from this is your husband. God bless you so far Canada.
I wait, then we should go to greater heights and being that supportive husband always.
Okay. Nyame shira ora you Sule pa. So mo di omo si nyina be ye shira abeye disuade amanye nsa de be ya. Yenso ye hwa minim sese wo hwa ebia o ni instrument bo ana se unim bo kra utimi so akra no family sa daachi se de ohu obi dia ye e ware na wo a be ye masa nyame enhira o papa se wa hwe ma wa we bi medin ene die dipem nyame enhira o aha ye Paint TV ma wa we bi medin ena wa hwe din ede jo